I am entering through the base of the tower. We are now in the small lobby inside the base of the tower. I know that everyone wants to have a look out the beautiful arched windows at the top of the tower. I made it to the 3rd floor, but the top of the tower was off limits. I did manage to get some beautiful views from the 2nd and 3rd floor. And a view of one of the stunning arched windows as I came down the stairs. There are 2 elevators just inside the door of the main building. The central hallway has 2 dramatic glass wall conference rooms. The double doors on both sides of the central court lead to residential halls. There's a cozy nook with a wet bar. There are also individual office spaces available. This is the main courtyard with a patio for socializing. Here's the tastefully decorated clubhouse with kitchen. There is a well-equipped gym and yoga room. A back stairwell off the yoga room. This residential hallway takes us back to the central court area. Here is another look at the conference rooms. I am back at the tower stairs. We will now visit the second floor. This is a stairwell on the east side of the building facing Highway 421. And finally, here is a view of the mailbox room just off the main office.